One of the main reasons for the economic crisis in the country was the massive losses of income suffered by the government. The main source of income for the government is taxes. While the people are being burdened with taxes on top of taxes, the massive tax concessions our politicians gave to their crony businessmen has also come back to haunt the people of the country. Let's revisit the sugar tax scam. The special commodity levy imposed on a kilogram of sugar that was 50 rupees was suddenly reduced to just 25 cents on the 14th of October 2020. A kilogram of sugar cost 150 rupees at the time. A few days later, the government reversed their decision. On the 27th of October 2020, the tax on a kilogram of sugar was increased back to 40 rupees. According to the special commodity levy, an increase in tax can only come into effect 1 month after the date of the announcement. The government then removed the control price imposed on sugar. Who made the biggest gains during this time period? It was later revealed that 320,000 metric tons of sugar was brought to the island between the 14th of October 2020 and the 20th of February 2021. While 67 companies had imported sugar during this period, over 40% of the total amount of sugar imported was brought down to the country by one importer. The company that imported the sugar had resold these same stocks of sugar to Satosa at a price between 125 rupees and 127 rupees. Satosa sold the sugar to the public at a price of 85 rupees. By this, the people had to suffer losses not once but twice. This is how responsible officials in the government at the time responded to this scam. This is not a scam. This is a concession the government gave to the people. They are saying that these concessions have not reached the people. That is a normal economic theory. That will not happen immediately. Our government has not done anything that it is not empowered to do. If the tax was not reduced, the sugar which was sold at about 105 or 110 rupees would have shot up to 150 to 160 rupees. Therefore, no one can say that the consumers did not get any benefit out of this. Despite these statements made by the ministers, after repeated requests from the Ministry of Finance by the Committee on Public Finance, the truth was revealed. The report revealed that the government had lost an income of approximately 15,000 million rupees, that's 15 billion rupees. This same conclusion was reached in a special report published by the Auditor General on the 23rd of March. According to the Auditor General's report, from the date that the special commodity levy on sugar was reduced from 50 rupees to 25 cents, the 14th of October 2020, and the date that the control price on sugar was removed on the 8th of February 2021, the government lost a total of 16,763 million rupees in tax revenue. During this time period, Lanka Satosa had purchased sugar from private sector importers for exorbitant prices and sold it to the public at a loss. According to the report, this had caused a loss of 102 million rupees to the government. The National Audit Office states that in the months from October 2020 to February 2021, the sugar imported by one specific private importer had shot up exponentially by 1,222%. The audit report confirms that the benefits from the reduction in tax was not given to the people, and instead a few importers had earned exorbitant profits. It's been almost 2 years since the sugar scam. Were the recommendations of the Auditor General's report implemented? A new tax called Social Security Contribution Levy of 2.5% was introduced yesterday. While the people are burdened with tax after tax, isn't there any intention of recovering the massive amounts of funds belonging to the country that were distributed among a few?